How to redeem Minecraft gift card. Let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for minecraft.net. After entering that, you'll be able to see this interface in your computer. So here in the right upper corner, you'll be able to see the login and redeem option. Since we are looking for redeem, you have to click on redeem option over here. By clicking on redeem, this interface will be seen over here. So here you have to read this description carefully. It is said that use the code on the back of your Minecraft, Java and Bedrock edition card or that was printed on your story sheet. You'll need an active Microsoft account to redeem the code. Learn more about redeeming a Minecraft prepaid card with this instruction for Minecraft, Java and Bedrock edition. Here there is a enter code option. This code can be found in your story sheet. So you have to look for the code and enter your code over here, and you have to simply click on submit, and after submitting it you'll be able to redeem Minecraft gift card. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.